This year, we've spent more time than ever at home. It's been our school, workplace, gym, restaurant, and much more. It's no surprise this year has drastically impacted what buyers are looking for when they're house hunting. My name is Jamie Halford with Cornerstone Home Lending, and today we're talking about 5 new things buyers are looking for going into 2021. Number 1, the home office. It should come as no surprise that a home office is at the top of the list. Over 42% of the U.S. workforce worked from home this year, and a quiet workspace is not just a want anymore, it's a need. Number 2, a spacious outdoor area. For buyers that have or are wanting to have a family, a backyard is a close second on the priority list. Backyards with a good balance of outdoor space and covered patio space are definitely attracting buyers. Number 3, plenty of storage space. This year had buyers stocking up on the essentials. We all remember the toilet paper crisis, right? With more and more people discovering the benefits of stockpiling, storage space is a must-have. A nice pantry, kitchen cabinets, and lots of bathroom storage are things that could attract potential buyers. Number 4, a cozy living area. Let's be honest, we've all watched way more Netflix than we were anticipating this year. Movie nights became a regular occurrence. If your house was anything like mine, someone was always watching something in the living room. So whether it's an added movie room or just a family-friendly living space, buyers are definitely keeping their eyes peeled for those features. Finally, number 5, close proximity to the essentials. So last but not least, buyers are house hunting for homes close to everything they need. They're focusing on homes that are closer to their family, grocery stores, work and school, and local amenities. I personally believe home buyers are mainly motivated to move closer to their families, and we'll see a lot of buyers trying to snag a home within a few minutes of those family members. This year has definitely put a lot of things into perspective and changed the way buyers are prioritizing their wants and their needs. If you're house hunting and think you found the one, comment below or shoot me a message. I would love to help you start the mortgage process. Thank you so much for watching this week's video, and make sure to like and share, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!